Good morning, everyone. We're looking at FedEx. We were not positive on them. We thought they could miss the quarter. They sure lived up to it. 99.76 is the low. The previous close, when they reported earnings this morning, they missed. They guided the quarter down. There's all kinds of stuff going on. One thing about FedEx Corp, though, let us not forget it's a perfect gauge of what things really truly are. If people are shipping around the world and people are buying a lot, then FedEx doesn't miss a quarter. They did miss. One of the things that we discovered that on the conference call this morning, Cowan updated notes this morning that FedEx reported the F3, Q13 EPS one-time items of $1.23. That's below the consensus of $1.38. And its estimate of $1.42. Management previously guided the street to a lower level. One of the things that we would like to highlight, management indicated that international revs were 100 million lighter than management expectations. Although that should still be reviewed as somewhat disappointing, the firm believes international was also affected by the Lunar New Year in February, which caused a substantial slowdown in activity. Well, what I would like to say here, as far as FedEx goes, it's one of the bellwethers, and this is a major weekly reversal. We will look at where it comes down to the red line to the 20-week moving average. It's had a great run this calendar year. Not only that, we're going to be starting the overall earnings in April, which is less than a couple weeks away. When FedEx comes out and misses, with the so-called growth around the world running at top levels, as everyone claims, you don't get a big miss in FedEx. I'm sorry. So there is a disconnect with the markets and what this next quarterly earnings cycle is going to be. There was another one yesterday that missed Cintas. So once again, all eyes are going to be on this one. Stock is down $6 today. The 2013 lows is clear down here at $95, by the way. This is where they gapped it up. We've had other prior earnings problems. We were down here at $85 a share. We ran slightly below that 110, which made that a short at that resistance. And let us not forget, it was on the 52-week high list, like a lot of them are. The thing about it is these big bellwethers, and there's your highs right here, right below there. So 109.60 or whatever the case is. We'll be looking at buying the dips. It's important that people understand that FedEx missed. They guided down. There were 100 million light on the revenue. There's a lot more to talk about this name. But let me tell you something, everybody. All of the MMTs moving forward in next calendar earnings that's going to be released. FedEx has got a problem starting it out this way. We can just imagine where some of these other stocks are that have ran to 52-week highs, but they don't deliver their quarters. They're all going to come down. So when we get into that April quarter, we're going to look at where the bellwethers are. This is a huge miss on FedEx.